Bitcoin got rejected of this major resistance level that we were watching for quite a while already, and now Bitcoin is right now sitting at the support of $19,800. But the question is, will this support hold? Will we see here higher prices in the immediate short term for Bitcoin, or will we now head back into lower levels? That is something that we need to talk about today, and I have a lot of other really important charts that we have to go through today for the Bitcoin price. So, and if you think that's interesting, then definitely stick here until the end. Make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's jump directly into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the 4-hourly chart, as I just mentioned, Bitcoin got a really nice move here to the upside, all the way from around $19,000. Here, nice impulse move, broke prior resistance here, which turned then into support, as we can see right now, and went to the next major key resistance area of $20,400. And we tried to break out of this zone here, but got then rejected, went back down, and are now sitting exactly at this the top level of the support at $19,800. So this beneath the neckline of this potential W pattern that we are seeing here, and could be the first sign that the W pattern might get invalidated here on the higher time frames, and that we will not see the breakout that could bring us all the way up to around $22,000 in the immediate short term. So also when we look here on the stochastic RSI, as I had mentioned yesterday, we were here in overbought conditions, and so, and we saw then also the reaction that was expected, that we have to come down. So, and the price did the same, because the RSI is a momentum indicator, and the momentum was to the downside, so the price was also then falling down. But nonetheless, Bitcoin is still considered to be in a short-term uptrend. So, and that is because we were forming here a local higher high, then we were here having a local higher high. Now we have another higher high with higher lows. So, and that is a clear structure that Bitcoin is right now in an uptrend until this structure gets broken, and you know the drill, guys. The trend is your friend until the end. So when we are looking then here on the daily chart, here's also something really interesting that we can observe right now. So, and that is that the Bitcoin price is still above this downward sloping resistance line, a multi-month resistance line, and we could potentially just see here right now a retest of this line before Bitcoin is bouncing back up and continuing its upwards movement. So that is a scenario that I'm looking at right now. I would only change my bias here if we break again under this trend line here. But until then, we might be in for a massive move here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So, and if you guys want to trade this, so we should have a look also here on a stochastic RSI really quick, and also the EMA ribbons. So we are still within the ribbons. So I would open a trade once we are breaking here $20,400. That would be a level that I would be closely watching, because that's also the top of the EMA ribbon, and that is the, exactly the resistance that we just got rejected from yesterday. So if we see Bitcoin breaking above $20,400, that would be the moment where we should open long positions, because then we will definitely head here higher and see some fireworks in the Bitcoin chart. So, and if you want to trade this with me, guys, then you better get prepared and sign up on BYBIT. There you still get $4,380 absolutely for free for signing up, and a $1,000 Ethereum trade position, but only with that specific link here, guys. Only with that link. There is also not so much available of this Ethereum position anymore, only 11.5%. So definitely go and take advantage of that before this is running out. And of course, on BitGet, there you still get $8,000 in free bonuses and 15% discount on the fees. But also here again, only with my links. If you don't use my links, you will just get a couple $100. So why not taking advantage of that? So now when we go back here to the 1 hourly chart, also here we can see that Bitcoin got rejected from this downward sloping resistance line that we have here. We came exactly to the top of it and now see a corrective move here. We might see a move all the way down to $19,600. And if you're risk adverse in your trading, then you could already open there a long position, because when we are looking at this, 1 hourly chart, we got close to that level and bounced back up. So yeah, personally, I'm not that risk adverse, so I would not open a position there. But if you wanted to, you could. I rather wait for $20,400. So here on the weekly chart, we are also still outside this bigger falling wedge here. So and we have 4 days left. We are just halfway into the week. And depending on that, we can then also make a better educated choice if we should open long positions right now or not. Personally, I don't have any long positions open right now because, like I just said, I'm just waiting on the sideline for a great opportunity to long Bitcoin at $20,400. But also here, if we break back into this falling wedge, that should be a moment where we open short positions, because then we go at least to the purple dotted line, so which would bring us down to $14,000, so or even lower to, yeah, but this I don't think it's likely. That would be around $9,000. So the dotted line should be our target. That could be quite likely if we are falling back into this falling wedge here and get heavily rejected from this breakout. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.